Welcome back.
By the time we start this shit, it's gonna
Shut up. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna install some coilovers on this piece of junk Speed 3. Coilovers right there. CX Racing. Alright? Bam. You don't need that, bro? How you gonna open it? Oh, whoa. That's an official panty ripper, bro.
They call me El Panty Dropper.
So we can talk about the difference between Red 9 and this shit then, right?
Pretty much. Hell yeah.
That's it already.
Get cute. Let me see one of the actual front coils.
This is the back one.
Yeah, it's the back.
Actually.
Check that one on the front. Are you deaf, kid?
Can I was just looking at it. We can't look at it now?
Welcome to the future, boys. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at you being a baller. How much did it cost? Like $10,000, bro? Is that?
It was more like 50.
It's matte. My shit was glossy. Well, it is glossy.
You're putting as low as possible already?
Oh, cocky boy, huh?
Maybe.
Cocky boy, huh?
Is it this way? You lower it like that? Through
Yeah,
this?
you lower the bottom. You never move the top.
You heard that, kids. Never move the top. That's the preload, right?
Yes, sir.
See that?
Fuck the preload.
You can preload me. Hold up.
Don't listen to me, boys.
There you go. I mean, people do it just so they can go lower, but
Yeah,
That's what I
it
did.
rides like,
that's what you did.
and it rolled like shit, right?
No, it was great.
It was total.
But no?
I took off the collars from the back on the on the springs go. That's what I did. But this
So you're gonna slam it completely?
me and the floor are gonna meet.
Hopefully, you mean.
No, not hopefully.
And look who's calling me, god damn it.
Michael? Michael? You said you wouldn't.
Right up, right?
I think yeah.
What else does it come with? Where's the little things
So
at?
you're telling me
No,
there's
comes
a
with-
dampening right?
Oh, anyways, comes with all this, look,
High degree.
the little
Yeah,
spanner wrenches,
We maxed it out.
these little switches to mess with the dampening. Can't see it. It's right there. And the hardware.
Don't take off the zip tie at the bottom.
Check out the zip tie.
Wanted to see. I got a feeling because it came with extra hardware though. The other one didn't.
It's below. Damn, Kevin. It's totaled now.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta put it. I want to put it stiff all the way. Might as well.
Look at that. There's gonna be a trampoline back there.
I have to put it stiff.
Hey, yo.
Why? You say you don't want a trampoline.
No, but the reason why it was stiff before is because the springs were over compressed. Remember?
What you mean by that?
So that's why when I took that shit off, it was fine. You know.
Give me the...
The little thingamabobs? They're right here. Oh, look at that. How kind of them, too. A Ziploc bag, right? You don't have to rip it open.
Who does that?
Who?
Who rips shit open?
You don't see this savage over here? And you, too.
I have no other option to rip it open.
I have no other option to rip it open.
Yo, they gave you
Yo,
fucking grips on these
Look at
things
that,
now?
yo.
¿Cómo está tirando toda la vaina para el
shit
piso así a lo
fucking-
loco?
Captain Hook.
Oh shit!
Damn, bro, you good?
Comes with the bracket.
Yo, this is
Come on,
quality,
fucking spot.
alright? Come on, bro. Look at those spanner wrenches. Wow.
Spanner what?
Whatever those shits are called. The coil wrenches.
Spanner branches?
This is for the rear, I'm guessing?
I don't know. That's why I said.
Yeah, that's gotta be for the rear. Yeah, that's probably for your brake line or some shit.
Oreo? Beautiful. It's either go big or go home, Francis. Spring loaded, baby. Aww.
I'm already too low, bro. Ridiculous.
Watch out with the whip.
Just slow anyway.
Tú te falta respeto que tiene.
So you put it underneath.
Diablo, you saw the meat hanging.
Hit the trigger. And you lower that bad boy.
Just dropping that. Don't drop it like that. Totaled. Wait, show him. Do it again. Wow, that's crazy. Wow. Oh my God, how does he do it? Whoa. Oh man.
Baby.
Weight reduction, baby.
That's what happened to it. It ripped off.
Are you serious?
It was here.
It was here.
Oh, this part ripped off anyway. The first part. The other. Oh, that explains.
Yo, start ripping things off, man. I gotta go home and jerk off.
I gotta say the brakes do look kind of bigger, the front.
Hey, yo.
They are bigger on this car.
Are they?
Yeah, they upgraded.
Kickers in there. Look at that.
Rambo.
Yeah. Are those? Oh, is that shit all wet?
Yeah, I sprayed it with PB Blaster while I was at AutoZone.
Piensa, tigre, por fin.
I was about to say, those shits are blown.
No, that was me.
Yo, start disassembling stuff, bruh. You got 4 of them to go.
You don't have to like be up my dick, bro.
Want me to handle the other side?
Yeah.
I'll record when he's done. Taking out at least one of the coilovers. Shocks. Struts. There you go. That's what I was looking for. The pros on the seat. Let's time this guy. Let's see how quick you can. Gloves? Que princesa, mira.
He's got guants.
Que princesa con guante. The fuck was that? Scared the shit out of.
Should I use?
Nah, you got
Damn,
using
nigga, how far did you get in there?
Yeah, you using the.
Why don't you do this, Francis? While he's doing this side, you go do the other one. Yeah, get your ass over there. At least take out the wheel.
I already did.
Oh yeah?
I need a flashlight over here. Coño.
Well, you putting the pee-pee blast over there, huh? Shouldn't your pee-pee be blasting something else?
You.
Hey, yo. Come on, Frank. He's beating you. He took out one, bro.
Bro, I'm in the middle of something.
Should have took off the wheels at least.
Should have taken me off. Ow. You dirty fuck.
¿Qué rompiste ahora?
La tapa.
Siempre.
El manito feo ese distracted me.
¿La tapa de qué?
Bicho mío. You know my dick came with.
What you mean by that?
Yeah, hold the shot.
You see these?
Frank, hold the shock. You not see me recording?
Ready?
No.
Basura. Next.
Damn, that shit is fat.
That's what she said.
What? I don't know. It looks like it's gonna lower that much.
No big deal.
No.
Mistake number 1.
You get the tool.
There's no fucking Allen keys.
Well, yeah.
I mean, David.
You just took one.
I didn't measure the bottom.
What bottom? It's maxed out.
I maxed it out when you was looking away, and I also did this. That was wet. That's how low it's gonna look, my guy. I don't know, Francis.
What?
I think this is total, bro. This is a little bit too low.
You mean not low enough?
Boy,
That's right. Fuck, that's hot! Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Which ones is it? It's gotta be those. It's gotta be those. Yes. Now there's gonna be a snowstorm or something, right?
who?
A what?
Snowstorm or something? No, it's not.
I guess I ain't going to
He's
work.
lying, nigga. He's lying.
Is that bad?
He's joshing you. Como un hombre, cabrón.
Se fue ese tornillo.
Yo.
Leave my crack alone, nigga.
Yeah. Check it out the very right, Yogi.
So,
Hold up.
nigga, hold that. Made it seem like I farted.
You did fart, nigga.
That wasn't me.
Oh, that shit stinks.
Tell me that.
Tell me that was you.
That was me. That shit stinks.
His dick would probably break that.
Eat that crackhead.
Ese crack viejo, loco.
Shut the fuck up.
Put that one down slowly. Ay, la basura.
Snake, yeah.
This shit fucking.
Alright, lower this piece of junk. Let me see the front. Let me see the front. The front is good.
Back is more low.
That's what I just said, motherfucker.
Just that side, or?
I think you have to drive it a little so you can get it adjusted.
Cause that, it feels like that side is tucked more, no?
Yeah, that side's more, this side's more tight.
I mean, this thing is not level, this floor, right? So
Yeah, it's not.
this dude's crazy, motherfucker.
I tried to pull it.
Pull these nuts.
Huh?
So there you go, Coilovers, CX Racing.
Ow! You just got stuck.
I'm gonna do like some cinematics tomorrow when it's daylight because it's dark outside and my camera's gonna die. So the next clip will just be the cinematics, most likely, or him washing the piece of junk. So yeah.
You should go close and back. Nigga, you should have did this way. You were mad close.
I want to lower my car.
Yeah, go right here. You should put it down right here. Go down to the floor.
Ugly.
Now go, can you go?
Total.
Can we put together an eBay car? Oh my god.
So yeah, this is the end of the video. I forgot to make an outro. I'm just editing everything right now. I'm thinking about getting a drift build, but I don't know yet. So let me know if you guys want to see a drift build. Thinking about getting an E36 maybe and doing like a budget drift build. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos or whatever. So yeah, deuces.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a slow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah.